Hi, this is Harika and I'm here with the lab experiment 1 database. Here the schemas are given and these are the questions. The schemas are customer, order line, product and the supplier. The first question says create the table customer with the primary key constraint. So here this is the code that I already did. Create table customer, and these are all the attributes. The syntax for creating a table is create table name, the attribute name, the data type, and this is a constraint primary key which I have been asked to give. And you can give a constraint or may not, just depends on the questions. And the remaining attributes are also the same. For example, customer name, the data type, and this is the size of the data type. As varchar is a character, you have to give the number of letters you would like to include, the maximum number of letters, and it's the same for all the others also. So it says table created. So to display it, I gave a command says describe customer 1, and this is the table. And the second question is create all the other tables. So I created all the other tables. Here you can see order 1 and it says table created, and this is the display of the table that I have created. And this is table product, supplier, and these are the tables of product and supplier respectively. The third question is add foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. Customer ID belongs to the table customer, and I'm supposed to give it as the foreign key. Let me check the schema. Customer ID from customer table is supposed to be made as a foreign key, and that is related with order. So alter table order 1, add foreign key customer ID references customer 1 customer ID. See, the syntax is alter the keyword and table, the table name, add foreign key, the constraint to which I am giving it is customer ID, references which table is it from, customer 1, and the attribute name again, customer ID. This is table altered. In the sense, customer ID had been referenced as a foreign key. The next question says modify the attribute product finish in the product table to product material. In the sense, you have to change the name of product finish to product material. So to rename it, the syntax is alter table product, rename column product finish to product material. Alter table from the table name, that is product, you are renaming. So renaming what? A column. So column, you are renaming product finish to product material, the attributes names, which is table altered, and I described it. See, describe product finish has been changed to product material. Here it is finish, here it is material. And the next question says rename order line to this is the next question. Add an attribute called price in the order line table. So I am supposed to add price. Where is it? See, alter table order line, add price decimal 10,2. In which table am I supposed to add? That is in order line. So alter table order line, add what? Price. What is the data type? Decimal. It says table altered. See, you can see price here when I display that table. And the next question says add check constraint to ordered quantity column and check the quantity is above 5. This is nothing but check constraint, checking what column, ordered quantity, it has to be above 5. So the syntax is alter table. What is the table name? Order line. Modify. What are you modifying it as? Ordered quantity, the data type. What are you doing? Adding a constraint. So constraint. What is the name of the constraint? Check constraint. What are you doing? Check it. That order quantity is greater than 5. See, it says table altered. And the next question is rename order line to order quantity. Order line is the table name. To rename it, rename old table name to new table name. It says table rename. See, I can now display it as describe order quantity, but not as order line. And the next one says describe all the tables. I already did it. I missed this. Add supplier address column to the supplier table. It's the same as the previous one as we added price, so I'll skip that. Next, add primary key constraint to all tables. Primary key constraint to all the tables. See, I did. Alter table order 1, add primary key and the attribute name. Alter table, table name, add. What are you adding? A primary key. To which attribute is it? You are supposed to specify it here. It says table altered. I did it in the same way for all the remaining tables. And then it says modify the data type of rating to decimal. So let me scroll it. See, alter table supplier modify rating decimal 10,2. The syntax is alter table, the table name. What are you doing? Modifying it. Modifying what? Rating, the attribute name, to what you are supposed to change it. Decimal 10,2. It is table altered, and I described supplier here. See, rating. Yeah, the supplier table has been described, and then add a not null constraint to customer name and address. So not null constraint has to be added. 10,2 and not null. Yeah. Alter table customer 1 modify address no, I had an error here. I did it again. Yeah. Alter table customer 1 modify customer address constraint not null to not null. What is the syntax? Alter table, table name, modify. What are you modifying? Customer address. What? You are giving a constraint, the name of the constraint, and what is the constraint? Not null. The next one says add unique key constraint to order ID in order table. We can't do this because order ID is already given as the primary key, and now you can't again give unique key constraint to that. And the next one says remove unique key constraint. You can't remove a unique key because I didn't add it in the previous question. And the next one says drop the column supplier address in the supplier table. See, alter table supplier drop column supplier address. What is this? Alter table, table name. What are you doing? Dropping. What are you dropping? A column. What is the column name? Supplier address. This is table altered. And the next question says drop the table order 1. Drop table, table name. And it says table dropped. Thank you.